Hi everyone. Today we're gonna start coding my BMW F34 3 Series Gran Turismo. I'm gonna try and show you, because I haven't seen any videos on YouTube, how to add if you wanna add or replace the ambient lighting on your doors, because my car came with only one color, standard color orange. And if you want to replace it and add two colors, orange and blue, you can use BIMMERCODE and code your lightning color into the iDrive system. So right now, let me just turn the camera around. So my iDrive, if I go into settings, into lights, I don't have any ambient lighting in here. It's only brightness, and that's all. So what we're gonna do, because what is this in BIMMERCODE, you can change, you can add this ambient lighting into the iDrive. So let's just turn around. Okay, so let me just add my screen recording into the video. Okay. Okay. So just connecting to the car right now. I go on my BMW 3 Series F34. I haven't upgraded my ambient lighting. I just want to do the video for, maybe someone will need some help how to code the ambient lighting into the iDrive, if they replace the ambient lighting into the door. And also you can change the radio trim as well, that came with the ambient lighting. You can find that on eBay as well. Okay, so the app is loading right now. Yeah, by the way, I'm using the OBD-Link MX Plus adapter with BIMMERCODE. So first, we're gonna have to do this into the expert mode. First, you're gonna have to go into front electronic module. Again, it's taking some time to load. Yeah, you just have to wait a little bit. Yeah, so we're gonna have to code this into front electronic module and head unit module, both into expert mode. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be just a second to load up front electronic module. Yeah, so we're gonna have to go into expert mode, and into expert mode I'm just gonna type where we need to go, so it'll be much quicker. So it's CS underscore DYP. Okay, so that we're gonna have to switch it, turn it to two colors, and then go back, and then the next one is gonna be PIA underscore default underscore default underscore. Some cars will be default underscore CS or CD. On my one is CS. We're gonna have to turn into farb underscore 2. Again, we're gonna have to go back now. And the last module onto the front electronic module is gonna be mapping underscore LCI underscore 7 underscore function, and this one is gonna have to be set to CS underscore 2. We're gonna go back now and we're gonna press code on this, and then we're gonna have to go into the head unit module. Yeah, there are some codes on the car, but the app will clear it up in a second. Okay, so coding successful. Now we can go back and head into the head unit. Again, it's gonna take some time to load up. Yeah, just 1 second. Again, into head unit, you have to go into expert mode. So just press expert mode, press continue, and then again, you're gonna have to type into the head unit color underscore switch, and just press it on active, go back, and then color switch lines, which is below color switch. Just set it on sport, go back and press code, start coding. Again, it's gonna pop up some messages, but the app will clear up all the messages. Finishing coding. Restarting the ECU. Clearing errors. Yeah, coding of the control unit completed successful. Yeah, we're just gonna go back now, disconnect the app, and just to show you what I was talking about, okay, let me just turn the camera. Okay, so now if you go into settings, lights, we have now ambient lighting, which I can switch it to classic or sport mode. Sport mode is white color and classic is the orange color. So this is gonna be showing, let me just turn off the light. So that's the color, but if I switch it to sport mode, it's supposed to come up white, but I don't have white color, so because this is standard ambient lighting, so I don't have white color on my car. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you code with BIMMERCODE. If you're thinking of replacing the ambient lighting on your door and also the AC radio trim. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.